play with you hoes. I got a fuckboy glow. They catching feelings for the kid, but I'm too busy counting dough. Just give me the right amount of cash.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be turning this old crusty ass wig I had into something, making it look like something, child. So right now, I'm just going ahead and using my leftover bleach because I did not want to go to the store and buy a full bleach of bottle of bleach because I felt like this hair was already just damaged from before, and this was like an old wig unit I had. But I like showing you guys how I flip wigs upside down, revamp them, and just make them look like something when they look like crap. Now, before I did this process, I did leave this wig in a shampoo and conditioner for like days, honey. Like, I literally wanted the hair to be softer than how it looks now because it was really crunchy. So, I really just like revamping it and see what I come up with. So I'm going to sit here and try to spread out evenly all the bleach and just spread it all over because I feel like it's really tedious for me to sit there and put the bleach strand by strand or split it up and part in it. And whenever I'm done with this, you guys know the process. I'll take a plastic bag and put it right over it and let it sit for an hour and 45. This is how the hair looks after I took off the plastic bag, after I left it in there for an hour and 45. Now I am doing the watercolor method, and since this is a really dark shade, a dark color, I knew I didn't have to go too hard with the bleach or make it as blonde as possible. And this color I believe is a purple black, and I haven't tried this color, so I just literally took it off the shelf because I'm like, why not? If you guys need me to try colors, I'm always down to. And in order to reserve the texture of the hair and the softness of the hair, I did put a few drops of the Garnier Silky Frizzy Hair Oil. And right now I'm just going to be plucking the hairline a little bit with my tweezers. I like this method better, and I actually got this method from Erica J's YouTube channel. I used to go in part by part and just pluck, but just spraying it down with water and plucking it like this is much easier. If you guys are familiar with my old videos, I show you guys how I do my ball cap method. But in case you guys don't know, I do 2 layers of my Got To Be spray. In today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be using the Walker tape because I've been experimenting with Ghost Bond and other adhesives, and I feel like I want to try the Walker tape even though I haven't heard much reviews on it. So I will give you guys, a little review on how that goes also. But you're going to want to do 2 layers of Got To Be spray, and I used 1 layer of the Walker's tape, and it was a little bit sticky and hard to maneuver a little bit. It kind of got everywhere, so I only put 1 layer. And so far, after wearing this hair for a little bit, I can see that it did hold a little bit better than how Ghost Bond would hold. And if you guys use Ghost Bond, there's nothing wrong with it, but I felt like I wasn't able to really do as much, and my hair wouldn't last past a week. So with the Ghost Bond, I noticed that my hair only lasted probably like a week and a half. And as far as other products, I do want to try the gummy glue tape or whatever it is I've been telling you guys about. So my next video, I definitely will be doing a review on how that goes. guys, that's the end of my video. I'm just going to touch up my edges a little bit, but that was my little tutorial on how I flip my wigs and revamp them and make them look like something, child. Let me know if you guys like this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. See you next time. Bye.